One of the biggest challenges with selling AI is creating the demo that you can confidently walk in and know that it's going to work when you're pitching it to a local business owner. And the other thing is how long that process takes for doing the demo and setting it up. Each client that you go into, I used to have to spend like 30 minutes to an hour to set up a demo and test it out and make sure it was going to work before I walked in. And it made scaling really difficult. But now, I'm going to show you a tool today that has helped us walk into our local dentist's office, show them a demo that I created in less than 2 minutes, and we were walking out with somebody that was willing to pay 500 bucks a month for a simple chatbot that is answering questions and booking appointments. So let me show you how I built it. So the tool I'm sharing with you today is called Bot Mockups. I've talked about it on the channel before, but it's gotten even better. And I want to just walk you through the step-by-step process of how I create these mockups to actually walk into a business confidently and have their logo and everything on the bot demo already so that they can kind of take ownership and see, oh, this is how it would work for my business. So let me show you what that means. So let's just go to Google here and we're going to type roofer in Houston. And I'm just going to pick any one of these random ones. Let's see if I can find one with a good logo here. Let's use Amstill Roofing. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm just going to take a little screenshot of their logo here. And I'm also going to copy their domain name. Okay. Now I'm going to go to bot mockups. I'm just going to do a new mockup. And what I'm going to do a demo for here is a database reactivation. So that's where a business sends out a text message to all of their past customers and says, hey, do you need XYZ? Do you need your gutters cleaned? Is it time for a new roof? For a dentist, is it time for your annual cleaning? So any of those things to kind of get some more business coming in from past clients. So what we're going to say is, let's see what the name is again. Am Still Roofing. So I'm going to say Am Still Roofing. Reaching out to old leads of Am Still Roofing to see if they'd like to get a new roof. Let's just keep it really simple. Channel type, they have Facebook organic, Instagram ad, Instagram organic, live chat, SMS, which is the database reactivation. They do have voice. It's brand new in beta, so they're still working out a few final kinks, but I can't wait to show you that as well. It's going to be really easy for you to do voice demos as well. Let's just do SMS for now, and then we'll upload their logo here, hit save. Okay, and then we'll just put the name of the company here, so Am Still Roofing. And then we'll do the messages, what's going to be sent out. Hey, it's Am Still Roofing. Ready to get your new roof. This is a terrible database reactivation, but just to show you what it does here. Okay, so it gives us an identity. It gives us kind of an entire prompt. One thing I like to add on here is this, which I think they're going to be updating soon. If the user wants to speak in a different language, you can reply in any language they want. I'll tell you why I did that in just a second. Okay, now we're just going to do share. I'm going to copy this link, open a new tab. And now I can walk into Amstill Roofing and show them this demo and talk about the database reactivation, show them what it would send out. And not only can I just show them how this would work, I can actually interact with this. So what I'm going to do, let me make my face a little bigger. So I can tap on this, or they can if you send it to them, but I recommend you actually walk through this with them. It's Amstill Roofing, ready to get your new roof. Not sure. How much? Oops, I hit it twice there. Thanks for interest. Roofs cost vary based on size and materials. Can you tell me about your home's roof? Helps me provide a more accurate estimate. 2,000 square feet. So it gives them an estimated price. As you're doing the demo, you can tell the business owner, we can obviously customize this to whatever your pricing is per square feet or however you want to do that. This is with very minimal training just to kind of show you how an interaction might go. And typically they're already wowed by this. Okay, let's try this. Can you speak Spanish? And look, it automatically responds. So this is what totally blew the dentist that we met with away, because they get a lot of people that are Vietnamese and they also get a lot of Spanish speakers. We're in Houston area and there's a lot of people that prefer to speak Spanish when they're booking stuff. So this was really cool for them, and their staff was mostly Spanish speakers as well. So it was just a really good thing to put in here, and it just shows them the power of AI versus just a receptionist that may not speak multiple languages. Let me try this. Do you speak Vietnamese? Hopefully I spelled that correctly. Nope, I didn't. And look, now it's responding in Vietnamese. Let's just talk in English. And it's still on target, trying to get them to book. I'd like to know more. When can you come out? Schedule a free inspection. When would be a convenient day? Tomorrow. And this isn't tied to a calendar or anything. It's just basically showing a booking transaction happening. But let them know too when you're doing this demo that you can tie it to their calendar and actually book them on a calendar. So what time? Morning. And then 310-222-2222. And I didn't tell them the address, so let's just do 123 Any Street. Cool. So that gives you the entire back and forth. And this isn't just a one-time demo, right? They can tap the back button and go through it all themselves and have their team do it. That's what you'll typically see is the first person, you'll kind of walk them through the demo. Then they'll be like, hey, Charlie, come see this. And Charlie will come in and he'll interact with it or whatever. And they'll be excited about it. And then you can actually build it out. And to build it out, we've been using HighLevel to build it out. Or for the chatbots, typically I've been using CloseBot as well. They have a really easy builder, but HighLevel's just really bringing the heat with their AI offerings as well. So there may be a day that we only use HighLevel for this kind of stuff. But that in a nutshell is what we're doing. And you can do this for all kinds of different things. Like I said, you could do it for Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs. You can do it for voice in the very near future. I have one that's kind of working, but there's a couple tweaks they're making, but I think that'll be fixed in the next few days. And other than that, I'm really blown away by this. So if you want access to bot mockups, they have some great pricing. And again, you can do like as many of these as you want. So what I recommend you do is you just build these things out as you're about to walk into a business and pitch them so you have a demo ready, or you can just send cold DMs or cold messages out to these people and say, hey, I built an AI chatbot that works directly with your company to show you how you can book more customers. Do you mind if I come in for 5 minutes and show you what I can do? And the people that say yes, then you can go and build this thing and walk into their business in just a few minutes. Either way you want to do it, just take some action and start kind of going through the process of doing it and getting rejected. We've had a lot of luck with just people that we're already doing business with, like our local dentist or people that have come to the house and fix things or whatever is really someplace that you could start as well. And again, while they're there or while you're there, like I just brought my laptop and showed them and they're like, wow. So now we're integrating a lot of other things in their system. And the dentist, by the way, was paying or is paying like $650 right now just for text message reminders. $650 a month just for text message reminders. So now I'm able to integrate all of this stuff into their system, do a database reactivation up front to get them some money coming in, and then we're going to move to having them be a monthly client at probably $500 a month. So we'll save them a little bit from what they're already doing and give them way more services on top of that that will just blow up their business. So with that, I'm really excited about this. Hopefully you guys see the light here, see how easy it is to go do these demos. And with that, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.